をホチモチホチホチ暇する暇もない
This is how to answer a rational expression. We have to first get the GCF of the two denominators.
For 3x squared plus 3x minus 18, first factor out their common factor, which is 3, then proceed to factor x squared plus x minus 6. Multiply the constant, which is 6, by the numerical coefficient of the first term, which is 1. Then, look for two multiples that when multiplied together is equal to 6 and when added is 3. The two multiples are negative 2 and 3. Group the first two terms together as well as the last two. Factor out their common factor. Then rewrite it as 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 3.
For 2x squared plus 11x plus 15, there is no common factor between the three terms, so we can proceed to factoring the quadratic trinomial. Like before, multiply the constant, which is 15, by the numerical coefficient of the first term, which is 2. The result is 30. Then look for the two multiples like before. The multiples are 5 and 6. Group the first two terms together as well as the last two terms. Then factor out their common factor. Then rewrite it as 2x plus 5 times x plus 3.
For the GCF, what's common between 3 over x minus 2 times x plus 3 and 2x plus 5 times x plus 3 is x plus 3. So it only appears once in the GCF. The binomials inside the parentheses can be interchanged.
After that, divide the GCF by the previous denominators of both fractions, then multiply the quotient by the numerators of both fractions, written as 4 times 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 3 times 2x plus 5.
After dividing the GCF to the denominators, the quotients are 2x plus 5 and 3 multiplied by x minus 2. Before multiplying the numerators by the quotients, first distribute 3 to x minus 2. The result to that is 3x minus 6. Then distribute the numerators 4x to 2x plus 5 and negative 2x to 3x minus 6. The results are 8x squared plus 20x minus 6x squared plus 12x over 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 3 times 2x plus 5. After getting those results, add the like terms, which are 8x squared and negative 6x squared, and 20x and 12x. The result will be 2x squared plus 32x over 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 3 times 2x plus 5. Right after that, factor out the common factor of 2x squared plus 32x. The result is 2x times x plus 16. The final answer is 2x times x plus 16 over 3 times x minus 2 times x plus 3 times 2x plus 5. Don't forget to write the denominator. This is a common mistake in solving for rational expressions, leaving out the denominator.